ready, Anna. Catch the ball. This throw will be the best.
Oh no! The floor is broken! There is something under the floor.
Is that a secret room? I need a bigger hole. Hurry up, Bill.
Come with me, Anna. It's dark and scary. Stay close to me. Bill, look over there.
There are many old things here.
Let's open this old chest. Wow, there are so many things. Who owned all these things?
No way. That is Dad.
Oh, Dad looks so cool.
Dad was a famous singer. Bill, what is under that cloth? It's Dad's guitar. Why did Dad leave it here? It is very old. Singer MJ. That is Dad. I can't believe it. Come on, Anna. Let's tell Dad. Dad will be so surprised. Dad, Mom, look what we found.
Bill, where did you find these?
I found a secret room under the floor. It was full of amazing things. Dad, you were a famous singer.
Put everything away.
Bill, Anna, go finish your homework, okay?
What is that noise? Bill, I heard Mom and Dad. Shh, be quiet.
Why didn't you hide those things better?
Bill and Anna should know about your past.
I don't want my children to be ashamed of me.
None of it was your fault.
Something is very wrong. We have to find the truth for Dad. Dad, can we talk to you?
Of course. What's on your mind?
Dad, these awards are part of your life. These albums must hold happy memories too, right?
Oh, my dear children.
You always taught me to face my problems, not run away from them. And we will always love you too, Dad.
Thank you. You have both grown up. Let me tell you what happened.
"20 years ago, I was a famous singer. I sang in many countries around the world.
I wrote a song called I Am a Star. I believed everyone would love my new song.
Then everything changed. People said I stole another artist's song.
You copied that song!
I wanted to show everyone my songwriting notebook. But it had disappeared.
Many fans stopped loving me. My parents suffered because of me.
So I left my music behind. I became an office worker. Then I met your mom. Later, I had both of you.
Dad, I believe you. I believe you too, Dad.
Bill, Anna, come downstairs. The floor is fixed now. Don't make another hole again.
Sorry, Dad. But now I can't visit your treasures anymore.
Who said you can't?
Wow, a secret door.
This is the real entrance.
Dad, this place is really dusty.
Then let's clean it together.
Dad, will you play this guitar for me someday? Sing your song for us too.
I haven't touched this guitar since that day. First, we need new strings. My songwriting notebook.
Dad, is that your notebook?
I looked for it everywhere. It was inside my guitar all these years.
Dad, now we can prove you are innocent. Everyone can know the truth now.
Maybe. We don't need to. It has been a long time.
I can't stop thinking about Dad. I have to help him. I knew you would come. We really think alike. I hope this helps, Dad. Hi, everyone. My name is Bill. Yesterday, I found out that my dad was the famous singer MJ. I never knew he was famous until yesterday.
Come here. You have to read this.
Many people said my dad stole the song, I Am a Star. Yesterday, my sister and I found my dad's old songwriting notebook. These pages show the first lyrics and music notes for I Am a Star. I only want people to know the truth about my dad. Done. I hope more people will know the truth and understand, Dad.
Bill. Anna, come here.
Did you post this without asking me first?
I'm sorry, Dad. I only wanted to prove that you are innocent. We wanted everyone to know the truth.
Thank you, my children. I am so happy to have both of you.
We love you, Dad.
Me too.
I am so proud of both of you.
Are you surprised by my dad's secret? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.